What is up, you guys? It's your boy CAGEY here. Today I'm just going to be talking about the beginner's guide to CSGO investing. Now, before we start the video, I just wanted to say thank you so much for 205 subscribers. I will be hosting a giveaway soon when I get to 1,000 subscribers, and to enter that, all you need to do is go onto csgopolygon.com, use my code CAGEY, CAGEY, and after you've done that, try and earn as many points as possible so you will be entered in the giveaway. Also subscribe and like this video, and once you have finished all those steps, you are entered into my giveaway. Now, good luck, and I'll see you guys later.
Roxanne, all she wanna do is party all night.
Hello, you guys. Today is my quick beginner's guide to CSGO investing. Now, what you're going to want to do is have open any third-party site. Whatever you want is fine, but just try to find something with relatively cheap prices. For example, like Skin Baron, BitSkins, or whatever. You can use whichever site you'd like. Now, what you're going to want to do is just check out some of the lesser expensive skins, because when you start investing, you don't really want to look at the most expensive skins immediately, because that's usually kind of a risky investment. You know, if something happens to that expensive skin of yours and it loses a lot of value, then you're gonna be ending up losing a lot of value in general. Now, the safest investment is actually just CSGO cases. Discontinued cases are pretty safe to invest in if the price isn't too high yet. I mean, rare drop pool cases as well. But if you can, generally try to invest in the cheapest case you can find. And I'm gonna make a video on how to store a lot of cases, because you only have the 1,000 item limit for your Steam account. So I will be making a video about that later today. But what you want to do is go ahead and buy some low risk items. Now, if you want to go ahead and buy the gold web foils now, they're a pretty good investment because they're pretty cheap. They're around like $3 or so, and they are pretty safe. So if you lose this investment or miss out on this investment opportunity, the price will probably go up because the shattered web operation was discontinued. But if you do not actually buy into this right now, then you still always have your nice skin, and I don't think it will decrease in value either. It's just that right now it's pretty cheap because of a lot of panic sellers, and yeah. So you're gonna want to do just really safe investments as a beginner. Nothing too hype, nothing too expensive. Just be safe with what you're investing in. Now, you can check out some of my other videos, like discontinued investments, for example, the Gods and Monsters collection, Rising Sun collection, the Shattered Web collection, the Norse collection, you know, all of that kind of stuff. The St. Mark collection, I think, as well, with Wild Lotus, because they're probably never going to come back into the game. Now, you won't be wanting to invest in anything that has already been invested in, or say you find a really old video on what you can invest in. That's probably going to be outdated. The prices will have gone up by then. For example, saying to invest in an Op Dragon lore is not really such a good investment, because that skin has pretty much reached its peak price already, and a lot of people have the skin. I mean, like, not like the general public, but a lot of collectors, and so they're pretty generic skins already. But if you have like a rare low float skin or something, that could technically be a pretty good investment if you keep it safe and don't rent it out on Loot Bear or anything. Just keep it in your own inventory and have it sitting there and collecting more value, because it is the lowest float skin of whatever. Now, another good thing you can do is invest in Katowice 2014 sticker skins. For example, I bought into a MP7 whiteout with the Hellraisers 2014 Katowice sticker. Not hollow, but I just bought it because it looks nice and it'll probably accumulate some more value over time. It didn't actually cost me too much. It cost me around I think like $5 or so. So it is pretty nice just to have sitting around in my inventory. Yeah, so that's basically my quick guide to beginners investing. And if you did enjoy this video, go ahead and smash the like button and subscribe for more type of content like this. I really hope you guys enjoy these types of videos. If you want me to do more quick tutorials like this, just comment down below and tell me what else you'd like to see. Don't forget to enter my giveaway for CSGO Polygon. I may change the site though, because I don't know, CSGO Polygon has the requirement that you need to have 5 hours on GTA or have the CSGO Prime, or have CSGO Prime, sorry, or a CSGO loyalty badge, but that's okay. Comment down below which site you guys would rather have me do a giveaway on, or which site you want me to have a giveaway on. Thank you very much for watching. My name is CAGEY, and I'm out. Bye.